I just got home in my Honda Odyssey, the 2010 Honda Odyssey, and one of the headlights is not working. So this is the lower beam. If I do the high beam, so you see the right hand side, there's the issue. So all the lights are working, just lower light is not working. I have about 100,000 miles on the vehicle, and about this time headlights start to go out in pretty much all Honda vehicles. So go to the Honda store and get the headlight bulb. Here is the replacement bulb for the headlight. And before I install this one, I need to remove the bulb that is already there in the headlight. So if I look at the headlight, the lower beam is this, and the bulb for this is right behind it, so which is this bulb here. To remove this bulb, all I gotta do is remove this connector, the white colored connector you see. And to remove this connector, which gives power to the bulb, there's this little plastic tab that I can press on. That will release that, or the little notch that holds the connector in place. So as long as I can press on this one, you can see it move up, and I can just push it down with my hand, and there is our connector. Just remove that. Once the connector is removed, removing the bulb is like it's just simply twisting it. And as we know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So you're gonna turn it left to loosen it. So you're gonna grab this, turn it left like this, and the bulb comes out. So one thing I think it's noteworthy is this space here. From my hand at least, I can move that. I can put my hand here and kind of reach out easy relatively. Now, depending on every individual, may not be able to reach, so in that case you may have to remove this power steering fluid reservoir from here, move that on the side. That'll give you a little bit more space. But I think for most of the time the space here should work, and it's enough for us to reach in and replace the bulb. Here is the new bulb that came out of the packet, and if I look behind the bulb, I think it's a Phillips bulb, and this is the writing that is on the bulb itself. Now to install the bulb, I gotta make sure I don't touch any of the front part of the bulb. Typically it says because human hands have oil on it, so that will burn out the bulb. So I'm just gonna grab this. It's kind of hard to get my hands in with the when I'm holding the bulb. So it's gonna go in the same way we took it out, which is I'm gonna have it positioned here, and when it's there you go, it fits in its little spot. We can see the little groove, and pop that in there, press it, and righty tighty, you gotta move it right like this, and this is good. Now to connect the wire connector, all we gotta do is hold it and push it up, and we should hear a click sound. There you go. And this, which is this tab fitting in place. So this should work, and our headlight should be on. So let me test that. So headlight is working on this side of the vehicle and also on the other side. So both sides light is working now, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.